Porting your number to Total Wireless means transferring your existing phone number from another carrier to your new Total Wireless account. First, you'll need to create a Total Wireless account online or in store. Make sure you have a valid ID and the porting authorization code from your current carrier. Next, decide between a physical SIM card, which is mailed or picked up in store and inserted into your phone, or an eSIM, a digital SIM downloaded via QR code using the Total Wireless app. This transfer is overseen by the FCC to ensure the process stays easy for consumers. After submitting your porting request, your number will be deactivated on your old carrier and activated on Total Wireless. This may include IMEI verification. You'll receive activation codes via SMS or in the app. Activation typically takes 1 to 2 hours for eSIMs and up to 48 hours for physical SIMs. Make sure your device is compatible with Total Wireless, that there are no outstanding balances with your old carrier, and you have a stable internet connection for eSIM setup. Also, get your pack from your current carrier and provide it to Total Wireless when setting up your account and selecting your SIM type. Keep in mind that porting is free, but SIM kits cost $10 if not included in your plan. Remember to back up all data before initiating a port to protect against temporary issues.